Everybody, Crypto Strang here. This evening, I'll just give you a brief overview on Binance Staking. I've done the video you see on the screen on the 12th of March. Since I've done that, something perhaps I should have covered in the video is how to actually check your crypto which you've staked and where they're held. Quite a few people over time have messaged me and said, I've done the staking on Binance, but I cannot see where my staking balance is, and they get themselves in quite a panic. Now, I've had a couple of messages today just out of the blue because of this video, and people panicking, so I thought I'd just do a quick video, step by step, of basically, I say I've covered how to do the staking before, we quickly go through it basically, but I just want to show you, once you've staked, how to see what you've got staked and what your daily rewards are, okay? I think it's quite important, because I said I've had a couple of people real panic stations because they literally couldn't see their balance. When you stake, your coin's obviously locked up, but they don't show in your overall fiat and spot wallet, so you don't know where they are. Now, they could have made it easier, to be honest, Binance, to locate your staking basically wallet. So I've done this video on 12th of March. Now, so basically what you do is you go on the Binance site here, okay? Now, if you want to do staking, I covered it in the previous video. We'll quickly go through it here. So you go Finance on the main dashboard. You hit Binance Earn, okay? Now, once you're on here, opens up to the whole world of savings and staking. And so you basically scroll down. You can see all the different parts of it. You got there the BNB Vault, the savings, the ETH 2.0 staking, if you want to do that, the launch pool. But it's here, locked staking. So you view more. Okay, now basically go through here and you can see all the different coins that you can stake and the huge percentage that you can get on certain projects. You can see there the biggest one there is actually LIT, whereas APY is 45%, but it's sold out. Okay, now here you expand all 73 locked staking products. Okay, so you can scroll down all the different ones. Some big favourites here, projects perhaps never heard of. But you scroll down, it's great to see their Helium. Only 5%, you say only 5%, but obviously a lot are given better, but that's a wonderful project. We spoke about that many times. See Solana, 9.20%, Kusama, 14.79%. You know, a lot of people talk about Cardano and many others. Yes, if you go through official pools, you get a better percentage, but to be honest, me personally, I find it so easy on Binance. It just makes it an absolute doddle, to be honest, and that is what I like. So you scroll down, look at all the different projects there is. Absolutely, even VE chain at the moment, an airdrop. Basically, if you stake your VET, you're getting the VTHO. We talked about before the gas token. You're getting the basic stake rewards in that. But you can scroll down. Now their auction. Give a brief look at that more. I never heard of the project till it started staking on here, but it's actually giving rewards at the moment 25.65%. And your minimum stake, you can see there is only 0.1 auction. So it's pretty good. But you see there, so if I want to stake some ADA, okay, it's really easy. This, I know I did it in the last video, I'll quickly show it. But you go there, you can see here's your screen. You've got your 30, your 60, and 90 days. So if I want to do 30 days of, all I've got in my camera is 218 ADA, so I hit max. Now 30 days, that will give me 0.91 of ADA free. That's a 5.09 percentage. If I want to do it over 60 days, I'll get 2.79 ADA at 7.79. Now 90 days, basically says that I've reached my subscription quota limit. 90 days is often sold out anyway, to be honest. But anyway, so I want to do 30 days. So you just hit that. It's very easy. Let's just say I don't want to do the whole lot in case I want to transfer something out or cash out or whatever. So I just want to do like 100 ADA. Just hit that and confirm. Now that's going to give me 0.41 ADA. Now that's all you have to do is that. Magic is done. That's how easy it is to stake on Binance. So basically now you've done this staking. This is where people get really panicked. They go into their wallet and they cannot see where it is. It's disappeared off their dashboard. So basically what you do is, again, you go to the dashboard. You've got all the bits here all on top. You hit your wallet and scroll down to earn. So it's just there. Now what you do is, again, they could have made this a lot easier. You've got along here, you go on earn, you've got your savings. If you've got savings, I haven't got any on here. You've got locked staking, okay? But also you've got the DeFi staking, you know, and you've got your launch pad, okay? You've got your swap, you've got your dual investment, okay? So there's many, many sides to it, okay? Now, all we're doing is basically, I've done locked staking, okay? But it's still not showing on there. So someone messaged me, okay, I've done what you said, I've got on locked staking, it's still not there. You then, not on flexible, you've done the locked, so you have to hit that button there. You see it on the screen, locked, then you get what you've done, okay? Now this is where you can see there what I've currently staking on Binance, but that is where some people get really panicking. I fully understand that they could have made this easier. So you have to hit locked staking, you still don't see it, you have to go into locked, okay? Then you can see and you scroll across, you can see your current API with each bit of staking you're doing, the subscription dates, the day you started your staking, and then you've also got your locked period, what I set, 30, 60 days, but also the interest end date, when it's going to end. And it basically gives you cumulative interest, but also another part, which again, they don't sort of be over clear, let's be honest, is again, you can hit like down the side here, you can see you've got transaction history. Hit that, and then basically you go on there and you hit distribution. This basically goes through, you can see everything of my daily accumulated interest from the staking that I've got. Okay, and you can see that every day I'm basically getting some ADA, some dots, some matches, some icon. Okay, that's how easy staking on Binance is. So, as I say, I just wanted to give that an overview, basically the quick process of staking, but I say I'll put the link below to the previous video, I went in more detail. Once you've staked, how to see where your wallet is and what you've actually got staking, and then also your daily transaction history to see what you're accumulating. Okay, as you accumulate, that does go on your wallet. Okay, so it's very straightforward, but as I say, it's entirely up to you if you want to do it, but we saw the wonderful percentage there with Bounce, which is a project I've never looked into. And I went on there, I went on CoinMarketCap, it's ranked 485, it's $31.90 at the moment. But you scroll down here and it's had quite a volatile few months, to be honest. You know, back in June it had its all-time low of $10, but way back in April it was $70, and here we are today, it's over $30. It's an interesting project. I looked briefly at it. It states there, unleash the power of decentralized auctions. Bounce powers an ecosystem of products for auctions. Build, design, connect, collect and trade all kinds of assets, tokens, NFTs across multiple blockchains. So it does seem an interesting project. Okay, I'm going to look a bit more in depth, but the percentage you're getting on Binance moment, the staking is 25%. Okay, so entirely up to you if you want to, look into Bounce. It does look an interesting project, relatively new. States there, play across chains, full-scale participation, build your own auction platform, run projects through crowd loans. So it's got many parts to it, and it's an interesting project, as I say. So perhaps we'll need to look a bit more, but it's got also an NFT marketplace. They've got actual celebrities joining. You can see there the celebrities with Bounce. Not a lot at the moment, so it's relatively new. So over time, advanced decentralized crowd loans from the Polkadot ecosystem. It's got there the Bounce toolbox, everything you need to build your own decentralized auction platform. So I say I've never really looked into Bounce since you started staking on Binance. It's certainly one to perhaps look into a bit more. But anyway, just the point of the video is just to basically show that when you stake, how easy it is to stake and how then to see what your daily distribution is and your wallet showing what you've actually got currently staked. So just a brief video. As usual, anyone help, email me, info@cryptostrang.com. All social media links below, help any way I can. Thanks very much. Have a wonderful evening. Cheers now. Bye.